The little school that the kids go to, we are a really tight-knit sort of school group, and obviously it's a small country town, so everybody knows everybody. And we don't hide the fact that the kids have tutoring. We're really honest about that, and sort of say, oh, we've come on, we've got to go home and do Kinetic, or we're doing this or that. And a lot of the time, girlfriends of mine are worried about confidence for their kid in learning. And it can be from, year 1 up to year 5, and little anxious kids that aren't flourishing, the potential to nip that in the bud and create positivity around their learning, I think, is something that every parent is passionate about. You want the best for your kids. You don't want them to be brain surgeons. You want them to love learning. And when they're not loving learning, there's a part of you that sort of hurts as well, because you just think, gosh, when you love learning, or when you get that environment where it's fun to learn, it's so easy, and it opens up your world to lots of potential. And the last thing we want is our kids to be limited by their learning or their mindset as well. We don't want kids to be told, oh, it's fine, you can just go work on your mum and dad's farm, or you can just go work in the sheds or whatnot. We want to give them every possibility. So yeah, lots of parents that we talk to, if their kids are having a hard time, we're really open about it and let them know about Kinetic.